In this video, I'll show you how to install and watch IPTV on VLC Media Player. Let's get started. Open any web browser and search for VLC Media Player download for PC. Open the official VLC website and click the Download VLC button. Once the download finishes, install VLC and open it. Now, open VLC Media Player. At the top menu, click Media, then select Open Network Stream. Here, you need to paste an IPTV M3U URL. If you already have an IPTV link, paste it here and click Play. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds for the stream to load. Once it loads, the live TV channels will start playing. And that's it. That's how you install and watch IPTV on VLC Media Player. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.